Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, we found a model and that is called Kimi K3. So this model is super because you can actually generate a fully functional website through it. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Kimi K3 in your code editor for free. Guys, I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. This is not totally free, but we can actually use it for free through third-party app. And this is also ethical, so this is totally safe. You don't have to actually worry about that third party I have mentioned here basically. Okay, so I'm going to show you here all the steps. First of all, you can see these are the steps. Get a free API key, install a coding extension, configure the provider, and then enter credentials and then select the model. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all the steps. First of all, here you can see get a free API key. So we know API keys are not free basically. If you go for the OpenAI and all the stuffs, you can see API keys are not free, right? You have to pay for it. But here there is a third party site and they will actually provide us this free API. Okay, so we are going to actually go to that site at first. So let's go for the browser and go for their site. The site name is this is going to be a single word. Okay, token router. Here you can see www.tokenrouter.com. so this is verified site. You don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, here you can see they will basically provide us free token. You can see. Now we'll click here get API key, because we haven't actually create account, so we are going to go for the sign up option at first. And here you're going to choose Gmail from here. Okay, so I'm going to check it and I'm going to go for the Gmail. I have selected my Gmail. Now I will say continue. Now we're going to actually remove this. So this is the dashboard. Okay, sorry, this is the API key section. And now this is the dashboard. You can see token.com, then console. Now here we are going to go for the API key section. Okay, from here we are going to click here create key. Okay, and quantity should be 1. Okay, fine, and never expires, let's say. Okay, or actually I want it for the test, so I'm going to select 1 day. Okay, and here you can see allowed models. When I search here Kimi, you can see we got this, right? So we'll go with this option K3 pay. Now here we're going to say submit. Now we're going to say submit. Basically I have to give it a name. I will say let's say test high public now, and here you can see successfully created. Now you have to actually install an editor. So in this case I'm going to use VS Code. In your case, basically you have to install an IDE. So we have different IDE. We have cursor IDE, we have anti-gravity IDE. So it depends on you which IDE you want to use. Basically you need to have an IDE and you have to have an extension section here. So go for the extension section here. Here you have to go for the kilo code. Here there should be kilo. Okay, kilo code. Here you can see kilo code .ai. This is from kilo code.ai official. So you're going to install this. Okay, click here install, trust publisher and install it. So now we are going to click here settings. Now here you can see we have a gear icon here, right, and we have clicked here, and now we are going to go for the providers, and from here we are going to actually go for the custom provider. Okay, and we are going to click here connect, and here we have to give an ID, and that should be lowercase letter. You can see number, okay, or underscores. Now here I'm going to say let's say test Kimi K3. Okay, this is going to be provider ID and display name will be, let's say, Yamin. I should make it okay, Yamin test Kimi K3. We're going to select this, and now the base URL is, now here you can see we have base URL So I'm going to copy this base URL. Okay, so copy this, you can see copy to clipboard, and here in the base URL we have to paste this. Now you have to actually copy this key, okay, copy, and you have to paste it here. And after that models, okay, so here that I have to give the model ID, and let me show you. I will copy this and then I will paste it here, and here I will say young sharp AI slash Kimi K3. Okay, now we have added our models. Now here you can see added. Now this is optional, so we'll actually keep it null or blank, whatever you say. Then go for the submit. Click here submit. Here you can see saving. We have the chat icon, right? I can actually go here in the extension and then I can select the kilo code, and here I have the chat option. You can see if I click here to this icon, it will be much bigger. Now from here I will actually go with the free one. Okay, so here you can see auto free, and if you scroll a bit down we have to go for the Kimi K3. because I say Kimi K3, and here you can see this is the model I have set. You can see you are in test Kimi K3, right? So I'm going to select this. Alright guys, I have shown you how you can actually use this Kimi K3 in VS Code. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.